Hi guys, this is Buen and this is Live in Abu Dhabi episode 1. Order ham na pandesal po. Thank you. Alright guys, kwento ko lang what made me decide na bumalik sa pagbablog kasi naisip ko yung binalikan ko yung mga previous uploads ko dito sa channel na to, parang nanghihinayang ako kasi marami kaming memories na na-miss. I realized na why na i-vlog ko na lang yung life namin dito sa Abu Dhabi, kahit yung every weekend lang or every day off, every holiday or every weekend routine lang namin i-vlog ko, tapos i-upload ko siya week by week, and hopefully magiging consistent ako kasi feeling ko mas na-i-express ko or mas na-navigate ko yung mga thoughts ko na hindi ko kayang ma-express or masabi. Kaya rin ako nahinto sa pagbablog dati kasi dito kasi sa UAE maraming restrictions, maraming bawal. Nahihiya akong mag-vlog or magsalita, lalo na pag crowded. Parang naiilang ako. So hopefully sana through this vlog, mas komportable na ako magsalita at saka mas nai-express ko na kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin or ano yung nasa isip ko. With that being said, i-share ko lang yung quick unboxing ko sa new vlogging camera ko, which is the Insta360 GO Ultra. Ha?
Check menu po, kuya. Meron na sa mixed drinks po.
Ayan.
Dalawa kayo, kuya. Hi, ma'am. Dito na po. Ito, sir, para ano kayo ng electric.
Okay na dito?
Opo, pwede na.
Madam, pwede mo pahingin ng suka?
Wow, sarap. Let's eat, let's eat. Thank you, Lord. Good morning guys, today magluluto ako ng aming breakfast and I'm gonna be cooking tuyo and scrambled egg. Let's go!
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger in a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen. The scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let
Hey guys, punta lang kami ng Grand Emirates.
till I let go. private hill, and it gives me chills. A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
That's cool. Free. Thank you po. Ayun.
And 1/7.
I'll have iced matcha latte. So, 20.
You have application too?
Yeah, please.
Sir.
Thank you.
Pag ito. Mainit din dyan, no? Yung area nung nasa gitna. Mainit din yan, no? Kasi parang
So, kakabalik namin galing kami sa labas. Sobrang init na talaga. Welcome to summer na uli dito sa UAE. Yun, galing kami sa labas na grocery lang saglit. Tapos dumaan kami sa IKEA Home Center. Tapos tumambay, nagmatcha. Tapos yun, umuwi na kami, naglakad lang. Grabe, sobrang init na. And look at this. Grabe, summer na talaga uli. Ang init na naman.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, but rapture at our fingertips. These confessions of dejection and despair, and some great rapture is lingering in the air. I feel like jumping in your blanket. I feel like climbing in your cave. Your flesh attracts me like a magnet.